Good morning and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I have an exciting recipe for you that will undoubtedly spice up your morning routine. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the ultimate Sriracha egg sausage sandwich. Let's dive right in. First, grab a skillet and heat it up over medium heat. While I have a bagel toasting, I add some butter to the pan and let it heat for a few seconds. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the sausage patty. I'm using a Morning Star sausage patty for a healthier version, but feel free to use pork sausage if you choose. Place it on the skillet and let it cook until it's browned and fully cooked through. I press it gently to spread it thin, about the diameter of the bagel. While the sausage is sizzling away, prepare the egg. Crack open one fresh egg onto the buttered skillet, season with salt and pepper. After gently flipping the sausage patty, add a slice of Tillamook mild cheddar. Then, I flip the egg once, turn the heat off, and turn to building the delicious breakfast sandwich. Using Tillamook cream cheese, I generously add it to each side of the plain toasted bagel. Now comes the fun part. Sriracha sauce. Add a generous squeeze of the spicy goodness to the cream cheese on both sides. I'm using this amazing brand Fix Sriracha. If you haven't had it, you need to get it. It puts all the other Sriracha sauces to shame. I provided a link in the description. At least get one bottle to experience the complex flavors in Fix Sriracha that are not present in the other brands. Bring the sausage patty with the Tillamook cheddar over to the bottom bagel. Putting the egg right over the cooked sausage patty, I make sure it covers the entire surface evenly. Complete your sandwich masterpiece with the second slice of bagel, pressing it down gently to secure all of the layers together. There you have it, your very own Sriracha egg sausage sandwich, ready to be devoured. The combination of spiciness, savory sausage, and creamy cream cheese is simply irresistible. Thanks for joining us today and tuning into our scrumptious recipe. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Delicious. See you next time, and happy cooking.